carry on.
Okay. So you have to focus hard on mathematics as well as GK. GK is a very simple subject. Why did you fail in GK? GK is very simple. It's very easy to pass. Why did you fail in GK? If you score 20, you'll be able to pass. Mathematics you have
student friends are very far.
Then no, I'm saying about you get a student.
This is the
You get a
continue,
teacher
ma'am.
from your area. It will be convenient for you.
Okay, the fuel hasn't come. Let me check. November, December, pieces we have. Okay, very good. The fuel, the